Hey everyone, it's Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and today I have a new pattern reveal. They are the crisscross slippers. So it is a crochet pattern, if you can't already tell, and they are slippers that have a crisscross detail, hence the name. There are two different versions, and I should probably grab the other version so you can see what it is. We have one where the crisscross is up by the toe, and then we have one where, and you can't really see this very well, let me see if I have a different color here. Talk amongst yourselves. Brown will work. That's a little bit easier to see. So we have crisscrosses down around the ankle. So there are some pictures that you probably saw in the thumbnail to see how they look on the feet. Let me show you how they look on the hands. So you can also change, these are all kind of single color slippers. You can also get crafty and do two different colors, or even three. You could do the sole in a color, this actually four. You could do four colors. You could do the sole in one color, the body, top, whatever you want to call it, different color, and you could do each strap in a different color. So possibilities are endless. You could just make a rainbow of the slippers. So these are just a few of the different styles that you can create. Once there is a photo tutorial for the straps, once you know how to make them and put them on, you can move them around. So you can, you know, kind of do like a Mary Jane on, like in the middle if you wanted to. So you can totally kind of customize or add extra straps. You could do two here, you could do two around the ankle like the brown one, you know, lots of different options. But this pattern is in my shops, but the links are in my description. The description's probably not really mine. The links to the shops are in the description so that you can go check them out if you want to pick up a pair, or you're not really buying a pair, you're buying a pattern to make a pair or many pairs. These are really fast. They kind of work up really quickly. I can finish a pair of them like in a night watching some Netflix. So it's a great, quick gift project as well. Comes in women's sizes like 5 to 10. So it's like small, medium, large, but they really stretch. So even if you're like past a 10, you could like definitely still make like the 10 and it would fit. So it's got some good stretch. But that is the pattern reveal. If you like getting notified when new patterns are released, or you like free patterns, because I give those away all the time, sweepstakes, all kind, like tutorials, everything, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified. I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and thank you for watching.